Well, hello my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you Craftmas DIY number 7. So if you want to see what I've come up with, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in our Craftmas DIY number 7, we are going to make a high-end rope succulent tray using these plastic trays and bowls from the Dollar Tree. And these are basically a tray that you serve maybe some hors d'oeuvres or something like that in. And I just basically turned the plastic bowls face down. And as you can see, I had already pre-painted this piece in the color first Linen White by Rust-Oleum, and then that Deco Art carbon color paint, and then finally the high gloss black paint from Apple Barrel. And now you see me just basically making some rope handles out of the jute rope that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut it down to the size that I wanted the handles to be. And then I'm wrapping some of that jute twine that I purchased from Walmart, the thinner twine, around the edges to give it more of a knotted look. And I will be doing this for both sides and for both handles. So guys, I would like to take this time to welcome all of my new subscribers to my channel, as well as my returning subscribers. I pray that you've all had a blessed week thus far, and I'm praying that you guys have a wonderful and blessed weekend. I am going to be traveling this weekend, going to do some shopping, I should say, not so much traveling, but shopping. And then I will be back to bring you more content. I will be uploading the Craftmas video number 8 for you guys tomorrow to the channel. And then on Sunday, I will be uploading 9 and 10. Now, if I get enough time during my shopping spree to actually create the DIYs, then I will do that. But again, guys, I pray that you all have a great weekend. Now, as you can see, I am now adding my handles to either side of this tray, and I really think the black really made this pop. It looks really, really good. I'm very pleased with the outcome. And guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. So now, as you can see, I'm just taking those rocks. Those are the river rocks, or the decorative rocks, or decorative stones, whichever you prefer to call them, and I am adding them to the trays. And now I'm taking these succulents I actually purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to add one in each tray. And now you see I needed to balance out the color, so I put the darker one in the middle of the two lighter ones. And guys, this is it. This DIY is complete, and I think it turned out very beautiful. Which you guys know, I love me some succulent planters, and so you'll see that a lot on my channel. And I think this is high end. I think that whoever's going to be blessed with this piece will absolutely love it. Guys, thank you for watching, and until the next Craftmas video, be blessed. Bye.